Nourishment Home Grown is all about presenting to the home and market gardener a simple way of understanding RBTI, or Ream's biological theory of ionization, and how to grow the most nutritious food in their garden space. Here is a more recent summary of RBTI, given by the narrator of Nourishment Home Grown. Ream's biological theory of ionization is the most scientific and technologically advanced, exacting, and repeatable way to grow the highest quality food crops ever thought possible to this day. If you want to go beyond organics, which is merely the certification of a process, and not necessarily the certification of a quality product that is rich in nutrients, if you want to go beyond sustainable, which simply means to keep something barely alive, and if you want to establish a healthy scientific baseline standard versus health norms from a sickly culture, you would be wise to consider Ream's biological theory of ionization. You can grow foods that are rich in nutritional value in your area by utilizing the methods and principles of Ream's biological theory of ionization, because they apply to most all soil types. Whether you have a small 10-foot by 10-foot garden space, or thousands of square feet dedicated to a market or homestead garden, you can become a great soil engineer by incorporating the best of all the farming and growing philosophies, as well as traditions, while realizing that many natural, organic, and sustainable practices are merely fads and unsound. No matter how pure and natural the plant foods and soil amendments that the farmer and gardener uses, without the use of Ream's biological theory of ionization principles, the quality of foods will remain low and the toxicity potential high. Until traditional soil science accepts the standards laid down through Ream's biological theory of ionization and exercises those standards, agriculture will only ever address symptoms, just as the medical industry will only ever address the symptoms to treat a sickly culture. When you're tired of treating symptoms, and you've grown weary of failing when you garden by intuition or chance, and gambling with how you amend your soil by guessing, then you will want to know the secrets of how to build and retain real health and energy in soils, plants, animals, and your family through Ream's biological theory of ionization principles, found within the pages of Nourishment Home Grown, written by Dr. A.F. Badeau, now available in audiobook format through Clearview Celtic Productions.